morning and welcome to Astronomer News. My name is Nathan Baker, and I am being joined by my co-host Allister Simpson, who will be joining us later on. This morning we have a very saddening story to share. Known astronomer Christian Huygens has unfortunately passed away at the age of 66. He is responsible for many scientific achievements, such as discovering the moon Titan, creating the aerial telescope, formulating the wave theory of light, and many other things. This morning, we are going to go on a deep dive into the life of Christian Huygens. Christian Huygens was born on April 14th, 1629 in the Netherlands. Christian was educated at home until turning 16 years old. He studied languages, music, history, geography, mathematics, logic, and rhetoric, but he also enjoyed dancing, fencing, and horse riding. At 16, he went on to study law and mathematics at Leiden University, and 2 years later moved to Breda College. In 1666, Huygens became one of the founding members of the French Academy of Sciences, which was created by Louis XIV to advise the French government on scientific matters. Huygens was a contemporary fellow member, Sir Isaac Newton, whose research he was known to respect, although he at times disagreed with a prominent physicist. And now, I'm going to switch it over to Allister Simpson, who will be giving you the details about his scientific achievements.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will be talking about the scientific achievements of the world-renowned scientist, mathematician, and astronomer Christian Huygens. Huygens accomplished many great things in his time. In the 1650s, inspired by research from people such as Galileo, he delved into the world of horology and studied pendulums and how they worked. In 1656, Huygens invented the pendulum clock, which was a breakthrough in horology because it was much more accurate than the Verge and Foley clocks that were being used at the time. Also, in the year 1675, Huygens patented a pocket watch. One of Huygens' biggest accomplishments was his wave theory of light, which said that light was made up of waves vibrating up and down perpendicular to the direction of the wave propagation. Published in 1960, it became the first ever mathematical theory of light. Huygens did a lot of studying and experimenting with optics. He invented the aerial tubeless telescope, in which the objective was mounted inside a short iron tube, which was mounted on a swiveling ball joint on top of an adjustable mast. The eyepiece was also mounted in another short tube, and the two tubes were kept aligned by a taut connecting string. Huygens had a fascination for astronomy. He used his aerial telescope and became the first person to declare that Saturn had rings. He even said that the shape of them was a thin, flat ring, nowhere touching, and inclined to the ecliptic. In 1659, he became the first person to discover a surface feature on another planet. Using his telescope, he observed Syrtis Major, which is a volcanic plain on Mars. Along with that, he discovered the moon Titan. Well, this has been Allister. Thank you for tuning into this broadcast.